Today I'm going to show you how to set up the YouTube homepage, which is what people see when they first come to your channel. So it's super important to have it filled up. So here we are in my channel dashboard, and I'm going to click on this icon, my face up here on the left, and says View Channel on YouTube. It's going to open up a new tab. And as you can see, my home page is blank. So this is not good. We don't want it to be blank because this is prime real estate for your channel and advertising your channel. So we are going to go to this blue button that says Customize Channel. It's going to open up another tab. And here we are able to add some things here. So first thing is Video Spotlight. So you can add a channel trailer or a specific video when people come who have not subscribed, and then you can also do the same video or a separate video for people who have subscribed. So typically if you want to do a channel trailer that's introducing people to your channel, typically under 30 seconds, or you can do a video. I currently don't have a channel trailer right now. That's something that I'm working on and going to be doing this month, and then we're going to add one, just a video just to hold the place right now. So we're going to hit add, and then here are all of your videos. So you can also search one. So if I wanted to do a budget video where I'm going over my business budget, I can do that, or you can search something specific. So I am going to do, let's do this business budget right here from January 2022. And then to add it, I'm going to do for returning subscribers, I am going to do this one here, which is for December. Okay, next section is featured section. This is really important. You can add up to 12 sections. And so this you can do uploads, popular uploads, short video, lives, past live streams, upcoming live streams, playlists, created playlists, multiple playlists, subscriptions, and featured channels. So I'm going to start with uploads. So it gives you my most recent uploads right here. Then my next section, I'm going to do some playlists. So I'm going to do this, let's see, business income reports. I'm going to do that one because that's something that people really enjoy in my channel. Then I'm going to do single playlist. I'm going to do entrepreneur tools because I have this is an entrepreneur channel, so I wanted to have those tools there for them. Then let's see what else. Next we can do behind the scenes. That's fun. Add section. You can also do multiple playlists. So I like to have that at the end, and you can move these around as well. I'll probably have the created playlist at the end, but let's add a couple more just to have them here. Let's do how to make money online, and then let's do shorts as the last one. All right, so then I want to do created playlist at the bottom where it's the multiple ones. And then what we're going to do is hit publish. And then go to channel. I'm going over and here it is as it pops up and is playing. This is one thing to remember when you're creating your channel trailer, and why you want it so short is because it does automatically play, and this can kill your watch time. So if you're having a lot of people come to your channel and you're having this full video here, that can really hurt your watch time and your audience retention on this video. So that is something you want to be mindful of. And then as you scroll down, here are my uploads, my business income reports, entrepreneur tools, behind the scenes, how to make money, shorts, and then creative playlists. One thing that a lot of people do like to do is if they have some really good viral videos, they'll put their most popular videos top to kind of show the authority that they have on their channel. So that is how to create a homepage on your YouTube channel.